Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up Thinkorswim Charles Schwab. Open Schwab account, download Thinkorswim, and sign in with your Schwab credentials. Enable two-factor, configure watchlists, and import watchlist symbols. Set your default chart layout, attach studies like moving averages, and save the workspace. Practice paper trading before committing real funds, and adjust order defaults for limit and stop orders to match your strategy and risk preferences. Create a Schwab account, verify identity, and fund with bank transfer or wire to activate trading. Link your bank under transfers, set deposit limits, and confirm settlement timing. Download Thinkorswim for Windows or Mac, then sign in using Schwab login and enable secure connection. Customize default account for trading or investing, choose margin if eligible, and set buying power alerts to avoid overdrafts today. In this break, please subscribe and like if this guide is helping you. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music, timers, and voice shortcuts that make trading routines smoother. Thanks for watching. I find voice alerts handy for price thresholds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Open a chart, select symbol, and choose time frame that matches your trading style. Add indicators like EMA, RSI, and volume to monitor momentum and strength. Configure chart settings for candlesticks, grid lines, and color themes for clarity. Save study sets and apply to all symbols or specific layouts. Practice drawing trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and support resistance before market open daily to refine entries and exits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.